Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy here, aka Cybex Trades. Another trade, quick, short, simple trade recap, and yeah, let's just jump into it. So today is Thursday, the 28th September. September's coming to a close, so yeah, it took only pretty much technically one trade, but you can count it as three if you want. Took some two small dabbles, early dabbles at long side, and yeah, man, I got faked out, and my thesis went as expected, but overall got faked out due to the just price action, So yeah, overall just not getting the entering the best zone that I think it would be in terms of having the best probability in terms of R and R. But yeah, let's just jump straight into it. To be honest with you, so coming into the day, the levels that I had are the same. 427 was a key one to the upside, so I was watching that, and 26 and 25.53 to the downside. And yeah, for the first 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we looked like we were gonna be bearish, but SPY held this pre-market low very nicely and closed here. And for a nice triple bottom here on ES as well. ES was holding, SPX was holding. You could have entered here. I wasn't too sure about this candle, to be honest with you, because the way this candle formed, I was like, the volume is not there either. So yeah, I mean, looking back at it, I guess it all depends on the context. This could have been a good long entry. This is one opportunity where you could have gone long with the stop loss right below. And yeah, as you guys can see, just shot up nicely, boom, and then all the way to 427 here, and then rejected here, kind of like this pre-market high for a second, and then took out the lows and established a new higher low, and then continued here back up to 427. And this is where my first entry went, is the entered here, I believe the 430 calls at one contract at 92 cents. Stop loss was really tight, right below 426. So didn't happen, and I exited as soon as possible. I think this one's supposed for like $5 loss. And then I entered here again because we kind of looked like we were bull flagging as well and just holding this for 26.50 level here. So I was like, okay, my stop loss is going to be tight, like very tight, and exited here as soon as I saw that it wasn't holding for 26.50. And I think this was a $10 loss. So I exited at 10, entered at 103, same contract, exited at 98, and then entered with the two of the same contracts again. Make officially, like, I was like, okay, this is like looks like a good setup here. But in my intuition or feeling, whatever you want to call it, to be honest with you, uh, I was kind of iffy about this because I was like, man, we're just approaching pre-market highs. Like, is this a good idea? And you know, I'm always gonna go with my gut, to be honest with you, next time going forward, because I was right. I mean, we literally entered right here. I was like, cool, stop loss right below 427. If we can't hold this, I'm out. As you guys can see, we kind of got some sell orders here, came in and sold here at 110 for a total of 26 loss on the account, so 5%. And yeah, and it is unfortunate, but as you can see, plan went at the end of the day. Plan did win as it thesis went as it was as I planned in pre-market game plan. But yeah, I mean, overall it was just my execution and entry. Not the best R and R in terms of you know um, price action structure and standpoint. But it is what it is, though. Definitely there was definitely some opportunities today. Like, for example, one being here, and one being here. If you saw this consolidation here, holding above it. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for today. Nothing too crazy. Very nice price. We've been getting some very, very nice price action lately, the past week and the week before, and I just haven't been able to really capitalize on it the best as possible. So I'll be looking forward to my journal and really try to understand, what I can improve on, and going into next week and start of October to try to focus on those points, and yeah, and see how October goes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys, and thank you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.